안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today, let's make 3 delicious Korean side dishes using seafood ingredients such as crab sticks, dried anchovies, and shrimp. I considered balanced flavor and nutrition when I picked these 3 side dishes, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to my channel. The first side dish is a sweet and sour cucumber crab stick salad called 오이 맛살 초무침 in Korean. These are all the ingredients for this recipe. So cut the cucumber, 오이, and the onion, 양파, into thin strips. Shred the crab sticks, 맛살, into thin strips too. Add the cucumber in a mixing bowl and season it with the salt, 소금. Set it aside for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, add the sugar, 설탕, the salt, the minced garlic, 다진 마늘, the yellow mustard, 연겨자, and the vinegar, 식초, to a mixing bowl. Mix everything together until the sugar dissolves. You can use either American yellow mustard, Korean mustard, or wasabi depending on your taste. After 5 minutes, you will see that liquid came out of the salted cucumber. So take out all the cucumber and gently squeeze any remaining water out. Don't squeeze too hard, but just enough to remove the extra liquid. Add the cucumber, crab sticks, and the onion into the sauce. Mix everything together. And then sprinkle the sesame seed, 참깨, on top for the final touch. Store it in the refrigerator and serve it cool. For the next side dish, we will make this spicy and crunchy tiny anchovy side that is very simple to make yet can keep for a while to enjoy later. It is called 매운 잔멸치 볶음 in Korean. These are all the ingredients for this recipe. So, obtain the dried tiny anchovies, 잔멸치, which you can get at a Korean grocery store. Put the anchovies into a heated pan and stir-fry them without any oil for 5 minutes on medium. Occasionally stir them. After 5 minutes, they will start to make a tick-tick sound and start to become a little brown, which determines when they are done. This step helps to remove bad fish flavor and gives them a crunch texture. Put the anchovies in a strainer, 채, and tap them so that the little chunks or powder from the anchovies will be removed. This is another tip to remove some of the bad fish flavor. In a heated pan, add hot pepper paste, 고추장, hot pepper powder, 고춧가루, the sugar, the water, 물, the soy sauce, 간장, and the minced garlic. Mix everything together. Fry the sauce for a minute and then quickly turn off the heat. And now put the anchovies into the sauce. Mix everything together. Drizzle the sesame oil, 참기름 on top. For the final touch, sprinkle the sesame seed on top of everything. Keep this in the refrigerator and you can enjoy them for over 2 weeks if you make enough. For the last side dish today, I will share a delicious way to enjoy zucchini and shrimp together. It is called 애호박 새우전 in Korean. These are all the ingredients for this recipe. Obtain the cooked shrimp, 새우, and remove the tails. Season the shrimp with the salt and black pepper, 후추. Let them set for a few minutes while preparing the other ingredients. Slice the zucchini, 애호박, into quarter-inch slices. If you want, you can also chop the red hot pepper, 홍고추, into little chunks. Cut the zucchini into a ring shape by pressing it with the back of a cookie cutter or similar sized bottle cap. 병뚜껑. Sprinkle the salt evenly on top of the zucchini rings to season them. Let it set for 5 minutes. Do not throw away the middle part of the zucchini, but use it for cooking soybean paste soup, 된장찌개 like this, or Korean pancakes, 전. Now break the egg, 달걀, add the salt, and then whisk it gently. Put the all-purpose flour, 밀가루 into a plastic bag and put the seasoned zucchini in it. Gently shake the bag to cover the zucchini with the flour evenly. Dip the flour-covered zucchini in the egg mixture and coat it. Add the cooking oil, 식용유, in a heated nonstick pan. Place all the egg-covered zucchini in the pan. Fill the bottom of the zucchini rings with a little bit of egg mixture so that the 전 can get a nice shape and have good flavor. Then put each piece of shrimp in the center of the zucchini. Put 1 or 2 pieces of the red hot pepper in the center of the shrimp to get better flavor and color for this dish. Fry the zucchini 전 for about 6 minutes on medium or until they become nicely golden brown. 6 minutes later, flip them over and fry the other side for another 6 minutes on medium. They are already seasoned nicely, so you do not need a dipping sauce. Just serve them as a side dish or eat them plain as a snack when they are still warm. The soft zucchini and chewy and salty shrimp taste amazing with a fried egg outside. Try this 오이 맛살 초무침, 매운 잔멸치 볶음, and 애호박 새우전 someday. If you do, please take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook. I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.